Hello, I'm Alex. I'm one of Vultr creators, and this week I'm going to show you how to do one-click installation of Prestashop using Vultr. To deploy your Prestashop website, you will need to go to our server deployment menu over here, select deploy new server. Over here you can select the needed type of server for your needs. Since we are going to build a Prestashop website, I will select cloud compute with Intel high frequency. Your server location should be the closest one to you. In my case, it's Stockholm, Sweden. So I will select this one. In server image, you are not selecting an operation system, but you will need to go to Marketplace Apps and go to page 5. In page 5, you select Prestashop. Okay, we have successfully selected our Prestashop. Since we are starting building a website and we don't have any traffic at all, you can select this or this option, depends on your needs. I will go with this option because this will be enough to deploy and develop a website. Then you should enable auto backup. It's $240 a month, but it will save you a lot of headache. And if you are deploying a live website, you must enable DOS protection, because if you get a DOS attack, your site is over. We are not going to use SSH keys here, and let's name our host name as Prestashop. Okay, now we are ready to deploy our Prestashop server. Let's deploy it. You can see that our server is installing, and we don't have an operation system over here. We have Prestashop application. This will take around 5 minutes. You can see that our server is ready and running. To see its details, you will need to go over here, server details. Okay, so over here we have our IP, our username, and our password. This we'll use to SSH to our server later. And over here you can see our Prestashop installation link. Let's click it. We are required for the username and password. Okay, we can find them over here, user and password. Let's copy them. We are not saving it. Okay, so we are at our Prestashop installation page. I will select English, next. We will agree to the license, next. And over here you will need to fulfill your data. In my case it will be my shop. We'll select the hardware. We'll install demo products, US Eastern, okay. Test. Desktop. Test. Email address. This one, and password. Okay, let's click next. Over here, you will need to fulfill the information for your database. You will be able to find it also in Vultr. Let's change our IP to our local host. Our database name will be this one. Over here, our user is this. And our password is this one. Okay. Let's test our database. Okay, so database is not found. We have some kind of problem. Let's see. Okay, let's test it again. You can see that our database is connected. Let's click next. Okay, we don't want to save it, and you can see we are installing Prestashop on our server. This will take a few minutes. You can see that we have successfully installed Prestashop, but before we can use our website, we will need to delete installation folder. From over here, we can access our website at the moment, but only from page. You can see that we have some products over here. They are test products. You will be able to delete them later in your dashboard. But before we can go to our back office, this is our address for our admin panel. But before we will access it, we should delete our installation folder. So let's go and do it. You will need to return to Vultr dashboard. Over here we have one command that will erase our installation folder from our server. Okay, so let's do SSH to our server. Go to terminal, copy your SSH address, let's paste it, enter. We are asked for the password. Yes, we have it. Your password is this one, copy. You can paste it with the right click of the mouse, enter. And we have login to our server. Now, copy this command line, copy, paste with right click of the mouse, and hit enter. And we have successfully deleted our installation folder. Close the terminal, and let's try to log into our Prestashop. Okay, let's do it again. As you can see now, we can log into our Prestashop. Let's try my credentials. And password. Enter. You can see that we have successfully logged in into our back office. Let's close it. And from over here, you can manage your orders, catalogs, customers, and lots of different things. This is your Prestashop dashboard. Well, you can see that we have successfully installed and deployed our Prestashop. Now you have access to your website, it's up and running on Vultr, and you have access to your dashboard. And now you can create your wonderful web shop and add it with gorgeous products. This was Alex, and I hope to see you next week on Vultr.